today. Been having some lighting issues, so we are out on my screen house, and I just wanted to say hi real quick. Thank you so much for stopping by. I post weekly videos, and I do take requests. So this is a request from Danger. Whoops, that's my middle name. Yes, that is his name. And he wanted to know about, obviously, if you clicked on this, the title was okra popcorn. So we are going to get right into it, and then I'm going to go swimming. So yeah, let's do this. So here's the deal, y'all. Okra is weird. Okay? I said it. Okra is freaking weird. So here's the deal. It's really tacky on the inside, almost like glue. And so when you cut these, it's going to kind of stick. And they tend to shrink kind of like mushrooms when you're making them. So you actually need a lot for this recipe. So what I'm going to show you right now is going to give you that kind of popcorny imitation of the pumpkin popcorn that I gave you all earlier. Just line up the stems as is so you can cut as many of them as possible, and then try to just toss the stems and the edges away. And then you kind of just, I like to put on a movie or something to watch while I'm doing this because it can kind of be, like I said, kind of tedious. However, the payoff is pretty awesome, and if you don't mind it, it can be kind of cathartic to enjoy yourself and kind of cut things and just not have something that takes a lot of higher thought process. You know what I'm saying? I think you do. Okay, so you're going to add a little bit of garlic salt because I pretty much put that onto my food, and then you're going to stick it into your mini convection oven for 10 minutes and let it cook. I added the same toppings in my previous video as I've done this one because I love a Parmesan cheesy sort of popcorn flavor. If that is not your gig, that's okay. Now, if you stayed here, you get to the best part. We're going to do some French fries. So this is like a little bonus thing I wanted to add just because there's other ways to cook okra that are much quicker and much more convenient. So you're going to cut off the ends like before, and then you're going to have them. So instead of little tiny centimeter wide-ish pieces, you're going to have these long, thick sort of French fry pieces. These come out more like ooey gooey, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like McDonald's greasy fries, not like super crisp fries. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you could cook them almost until they're burnt, but that's not my favorite thing. So basically, I just wanted to show you that I'm just going to put it into this little teeny tiny pan and use a mini convection oven. You can, if you want to be a little bit more precise about it, you can lay it out really flat, make sure they get the same amount of oil and sauce, and just drizzle it on top and then broil it in your oven. I'm too lazy for that. Like, I just want to eat French fries. So I just kind of dumped them in here with some salt and some lawrys because I want it to be French fry-esque, and I put them in the oven this time for 45 minutes because they are larger. So I just go watch an episode of Once Upon a Time, which is my current favorite show right now. Comment below with your favorite character, and if you like salty French fries, give this a thumbs up. Oops, that's my middle name. He requested a okra. Let me just eat my hair for you. God, I hate intros. Welcome back to my channel. So I had a viewer, back to my channel. So I had a viewer. You subscribe.